those people who doesn't decorate for Christmas until after Thanksgiving, but I do love getting the smell of the holidays already started this time of year until I'm ready to decorate. And I have been making this at-home potpourri since I was a little kid. My mom will tell you I used to use her full vanilla beans and she wanted to kill me. And so I've revised the recipe since then to make it less expensive and still super easy. So I wanted to show it to you today. You get a saucepan. I use a really small saucepan, fill it about half to 3/4 of the way up with water, and then start heating it up on the stove. And then I start adding all the spices and the fruits. Now, you guys know that this is the time of year when apples come harvest, as well as citrus. Grapefruits, satsumas, oranges, limes, things like that. And those really make a great aroma in your house with the rind and the juice of those citrus. And so what I do is I either take the old yucky fruit out of my refrigerator that's gone bad and we just haven't eaten and use that, or even neighbors or I have citrus that has grown and sometimes it doesn't taste the best, or it's gone bad, or it's even dropped on the ground, and you can use those as well. So you don't always have to use go to the grocery store and buy the fruit. It can be stuff that's literally laying on the ground for you to use. So again, you want to take that water that you've poured into your saucepan and have started heating up. This is a grapefruit that actually came from a neighbor's house, and you can kind of squeeze the juice in. It's gonna spill a little bit. And after you squeeze the juice in, you just drop it in. And that's it. And then I'm gonna add a couple of apple slices as well. You don't have to do both, you can do one or the other. So I'm gonna put this in, and then I'm gonna start adding my spices. Just the typical things that you would think of to be holiday spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and vanilla are my go-tos. And you don't have to measure it, you just sprinkle a little on top. That's probably maybe like a tablespoon. And then I actually made this vanilla out of vanilla beans, and then I think it's vodka you put in there, and wait about 6 months. But anyway, put a little bit of that in there. We're gonna go with, this is the nutmeg. Nutmeg is one that I love. It just feels so holiday. Sprinkle some nutmeg. And then last but not least, cloves. Oh man, these are so good. You just sprinkle them in and then stir them up. I'll do that here. You'll have to give it a stir every once in a while, and then also when the water starts to get a little low, you want to add water also, and make sure that you're keeping your eye on it, because you just can't leave an open flame or your stove on all day without being home. So just make sure you're attending the fire. But that's it. Super, super simple, and your whole house is gonna smell like the holidays until you're actually ready to decorate for it.